Welcome to Super Ghost Chan's channel. I'm going to show you how to put this elastic band on the pants. So depends on the pants, there's a different size of the hole. As you can see, I have two holes. So that you can use, this is a very simple method. So that of course you're going to have this elastic band. And then there's the giant clip. And there's the regular the clip size. So depends on your hole, you can use the giant clip or the regular clip. So in my cases, I can use this giant clip. So I'm going to show you. So if you see your elastic band on the tip of this, using the giant clip, you put this the sharp ends to make your hole like this, spread up. And you put this inner side over here. So as you see here, it goes into here, and then you clip this side, you clip this part here, inner side, and then you have to flip over the side on the other side. So you just push this one here, and then this is it. This is how the shape is going to look like. So the smooth end is going to be the tip of the side, along with this the tip of the elastic, the band. So now I'm going to put this in here. As you see this hole, I'm going to start to put this in here inside of it. So you will feel it. If you want to make sure that to see where your clip is, I already pushed all the way up. So you see the clip. You use your the thumb to hold the end of the clip, and then you push it, the pants. As you push it, you have to hold the finger, the pants, like this. So I'm going to show you this slow motion here. So now I'm almost reaching the end of the clip. So I can still feel a little more. So I'm almost done the other side. You hold your fingers using these fingers while you're pushing the other side. And you are holding this, and you are using this to push towards the thumb, little by little. And then once you cannot feel anymore on the other side of the clip, you let it go. While you make sure to hold the clip, the end of the clip, and you let it go. Your pins. Make sure don't lose this the side. So as you see that, I'm almost towards the end of the other hole. Okay, so I'm just gonna find the tip of the hole right here. Found it, and here you go. And this is the end of the video. I'm going to come back for more videos like this, for the useful ones. So until then, stay tuned. See you next time. Bye.